I wanna begin this lesson by giving all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Nakagadash, the Bahana to the head and the apostle of Great Millstone. Peace, blessing, and salutation to the Akim who pushing this truth to the four winds of the heaven. So this video is about, the title say, average American hasn't made a friend in 5 years. Man. So they are living like solitary animals. Do you know those solitary animals? They used to live in seclusion, man. So ESAU is like that, man. So he's just blaming the social media, man. The social media are making people more lonely, man. People are more focused on their social network, social medias, like Instagram, Facebook, and all of that, man. So this is really talking about ESAU, man, because the Hebrew, at least many Hebrews are in these different camps. When they're in social media, they talk to their friends and all of that. They congregate. Even two said who are not in the truth, man. They are either in a black conscious community. They go there. They are in this organization, different organization. But ESAU is getting more solitary by day, man. He is returning on being the cave beast, man. He is returning, he is attaining or regaining his nature of being a beast, man. Brute beast, cave dwellers, man. He becoming more and more like a solitary animal, man. So let's listen to this.
Everyone talks a lot about their friends these days. What their latest posts were, what groups they belong to, and everyone's always chatting with their friends too on WhatsApp or Snapchat or whatever else you call the millions of places you connect with your friends. With today's social media world, it's all about connecting with friends and making new friends. Supposedly, that's what they tell you at least, but we all know that's not true. The real truth is we feel less connected with each other each and every passing day we spend plugged into screens instead of interacting with real human beings. We see evidence of it everywhere. We all know this by now, right? There's tons of research on how spending all our time online with our friends is leaving us feeling lonely. And now there's even some research that just came out that makes it all sadder. One poll, together with Evite, just conducted a study which showed that 45% of American adults say they find it hard to make new friends. In fact, the study reveals the average American hasn't made a new friend in 5 years.
So that is talking about ESAU. Let me be clear. It is not about the Negro. The Negro we are used to make friends, man. We have friends everywhere. Every block we have friends, man. The homeboys, and all of that. The cousins. We have big family, man. Although our family are broken, but we have friends, man. Our homies. We hang together. Even two said they hang in the club. But ESAU is becoming more and more solitary, man. He's on epidemic, on different drugs, anxiety, depression. He was on different medication, depressed. They know that their kingdom is falling. So they are always on social media, man. They live a solitary life, man. They are returning to their nature, man. Really, ESAU have no friend, man. I will go and read the book of Job, and we will see ESAU have no friend. ESAU is a beast, man. Have you ever seen a beast having a friend? A beast knows when it's time to mate during ovulation. He knows that the female is in ovulation. He come for mating. He go to hunt for food. He return in the cave, man. That's how ESAU is. There is no difference between a beast, a solitary animal, and the ESAU, man. So he is making his world, his kingdom, a lonely planet, It is not talking about the planet Earth, man. It is talking about ESAU, man. The Arabs are not lonely. The Arabs, they meet in the mosque. ESAU is starting to going to church less and less, man. They are not even going to church. ESAU is a beast, man.
And almost all of them say it's because they feel shy or introverted in social situations. Not the social media's kinds, the Facebooks and the bird brains, which are only two-dimensional, but the kinds in the real-life carbon-based reality reality, bars and restaurants, which happen to include a whole other dimension, the 3D social settings. Those are the kinds that a large portion of adults now feel uncomfortable in, the ones who haven't made friends in a while. Even sadder, they said they would go out of their way to make new friends if they only knew how. That's right, they no longer know how to make...
So now ESAU, he's begun to teach how to make friends, how to socialize, man, because they are animal. Yahweh Hashem Yahushai has taken what do we call it? His human nature, human, we associate with as a human. So that human nature is being taken slowly. They are returning to their beast cave like. They are being animal.
Friends. So one of the people from Evite had this sad advice. Someone amazingly named Piera Pizzo. Piera advises the best and most underrated way to make new friends is still in person. That might sound stupid because it's incredibly obvious, but sadly, apparently people still need to be told this. So, once more for the folks in the rafters. Your friends online are not real. Even if they are accounts of your real friends, they cease to be your friends once you interact with them online, just like you cease to be you. In fact, this is not me. I am not real. This is a two-dimensional representation of me. I never wear this much makeup or wear my hair like this in 3D. Social media is an oxymoron. It is missing a crucial dimension that makes it truly social. But no one has to tell you that, right? And no one has to tell you how to make friends. I promise. Just step away from the screen and the rest will follow.
So let us go and grab some scripture. This is KJV Bible. Bear with me for a second. I haven't used this Bible for a longest. Let's go to the book of Obadiah. Obadiah 1:1. Obadiah 1:2. Behold, I have made this more among the heathen, though art greatly despised. So if a certain race is made small among the heathen and is despised, how do you think they will live a life? They will live a solitary life, man, in seculation. The difference is that Esau was given to rule this planet, yes, man. That was the will of Yahweh Hashem Yahushai. But the nature of Esau is somebody who live a solitary life, is somebody who is despised among the people, man. Is somebody who don't have a friend. He is despised, man. So that's Obadiah 1 and 2. This Obadiah, somebody can say, "Oh, Esau is despised. He is hated among the heathen." No, it is. It does not. It does not end like that. Esau, despite of being hated among the heathen, he live a solitary life, man. He don't know how to make friend, because by nature Esau is like an animal, man. He's a brute animal. He is carnal, man. If Yahweh Hashem say Yahweh Hashem Yahweh, if Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai says that the nation of that is some people in the nation of Israel are carnal, is like comparing you to an animal, man. So Esau is like an animal. So let's go to Job. Let's go to Job. Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai Wamalak. Let's go to Job. Certainly, so. This is Job certain one, but now they that are young than me have made deletion, whose father I have disdained to have set with the dog of my flock. So Esau used to live with animals, man. He don't know how to socialize. He is an antisocial, man. Yeah, where too might the strength of their hand profit me, in whom old age was perished? For want and famine they were solitary. No, Esau is solitary, man, flying into the wilderness in former time, desolate and waste. So they are making their kingdom more solitary and solitary. This yes is not a place to live. Just because Esau is in rulership, it's not a place to live. This planet is becoming more solitary and solitary. Less social association, man. That's why there is more decays, man. Back in the day, we used to live like a community, man. My kids is my neighbor's kid. If my neighbor see my kids is doing something wrong, he can correct him. But now life is becoming solitary because the one who is ruling, he was made to live like a solitary animal. For want and famine, they were solitary, flying to the wilderness in a former time, desolate and waste, man. So this world is waste and desolate, man. Esau is becoming more and more antisocial, who cut up the marl by the bush and the juniper root for their meat. They were driven forced from among men. This is telling you they are solitary, man. They cried after them after they see them, to dwell in the cliffs of the valley, in the caves of the earth and in the rock. Among the bushes they brayed, under the nettles they were gathered together. They were children of fool, yeah, children of base men. They were vilest than the earth, and now I'm their song, yeah, I'm their byword, man. They yabber me, they flee far from me, and spare not to spit in my face. So this I want to do a quick lesson, man, about Esau. Esau used to live a solitary life, man. And so when Yahweh Hashem Yahushua gave him rulership, he was removed temporarily from his solitary life to lead a normal life like any other human being. But Esau really is not a human being. Esau is an animal. To be more crude, to be more crude, man. I hope this lesson was edifying. Until next time, I was just doing a quick lesson, man. It is brother Yosiah from Central Africa. Until next time.